Yo, what's up guys? It's me Edward back again for another video. Let's get into it. What's up you guys? We are here for another video content about cars. As I am a car enthusiast myself, I'm going to show you my older brother's restoration video as we did some painting to eliminate the rust from the rims. At the same time, we did a little bit of restoration to the hubcabs. If you know what these hubcabs, I'm gonna flash it right now on the screen. So here's the clip. Let's get into it. Before starting to paint, we need to wash the rims and sand all the existing rust off the steel rims. For the paint, we use enamel paint so it will not rust again. So in this case, we need to paint thoroughly to remove any starting rust once again, and make sure that the rims is washed before and sanded before starting to paint the rims, because the paint will not stick to the steel rims if it's dirty or if it's still with rust. So make sure it's clean. Always wear protective gears. Safety is at first.
A few moments later.
Now let's go to the hubcaps. Make sure it is clean also. Wash it thoroughly. So we'll be using spray paint to paint the hubcaps. As you can see, it is pretty damaged. So before spray painting, make sure that you are wearing a face mask, because safety is at the first. You already see the difference from the painted ones from not, because the painted one is looking brand new. Looks pretty awesome, pretty cool though. Look at that, it looks pretty cool. The finish is matte finished. Look at that. We eliminated the damaged hubcaps. This is the overview of the steel rims. Have a look at that. Looks brand new.
3 hours later.
Final result. Everything looks pretty cool, pretty splendid. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be updated for my upcoming videos. God bless. Goodbye.